kung worth it ba siyang bilhin ngayong taon na to. Titingnan natin yung display, 108 megapixel.
Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay, cause my messages.
Ano yung ginagawa mo? Gusto ko kasing matuto mag-edit ng video at mga photos, at saka gusto kong manood ng mga tech-related videos. Kung yan yung gusto mo, pumunta ka sa YouTube channel ko na Alfred Tech. Ganon ba? Sige. Pupunta ako sa YouTube channel mo na Alfred Tech at manonood ako dito ng mga videos na kung saan matututo ako kapag i-edit ng mga photos, videos at saka iba pang tech-related videos. So what's up guys? Welcome sa ating YouTube channel na Alfred Tech. At kung gusto nyo matuto kung paano nga ba mag-edit ng mga videos, photos at saka manood ng mga tech-related videos, pumunta lang kayo sa YouTube channel ko na Alfred Tech.
So what's up guys? Welcome ulit sa ating YouTube channel na Alfred Tech. And for today's video is i-review natin tong Infinix Note 30 5G. Kung worth it ba siyang bilhin ngayong taon na to. At wag na nating patagalin to guys, kaya let's go. Aling una guys, titingnan natin yung display. Napakalaki ng display niya guys at napakaganda talaga ng phone na to guys. Yung sa gilid niya guys is nandoon na din yung volume niya at saka yung fingerprint scanner niya guys. At doon naman sa fingerprint scanner niya guys is madali lang din siya mag-pick up ng fingerprint nyo guys. Bali papakita ko sa inyo guys yung sample natin ng pag-on ng phone gamit lang yung fingerprint natin guys. Kapag na-touch nyo kaagad guys yung phone is magre-response kaagad siya guys. Hindi siya delay mag-response guys. At doon naman tayo sa camera guys. Bali yung camera ng phone is yung front is 16 megapixel at saka yung back cam 108 megapixel. At yung camera na Infinix Note 30 5G guys is powered by AI na siya guys. Bali ito yung mga sample picture natin guys gamit yung front cam. At ito naman yung sample picture natin guys gamit yung back cam. At bali sa camera niya guys hanggang 2K 30 FPS lang yung resolution niya guys. At kapag gusto nyo naman gamitin yung video stabilization niya guys, naka 1080p lang kayo guys. Hindi nyo siya magagamit guys kapag 2K 30 FPS guys. Hanggang 1080p by 30 FPS lang yung kaya niya guys kapag ginamit nyo yung video stabilization. At ito naman yung sample guys ng video stabilization gamit yung 1080p by 30 FPS.
You could try to play but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way.
At bali punta tayo doon sa speaker niya guys. Yung speaker niya guys is sound by JBL. Pero kahit sound by JBL ka guys, hindi ko pa rin makikita talaga guys na maganda talaga yung quality niya guys. Lalong-lalo na guys kapag ginamit ng outdoor. At lalong-lalo na guys kapag maingay talaga yung paligid nyo. Pero guys, for its price na 899, okay na siya sa akin kasi yung habol ko naman talaga dito is yung camera niya at saka yung video stabilization. Bale, kapag ka-indoor kayo guys, yung speaker niya, lalong-lalo na kapag nanonood kayo ng video, is malakas talaga siya guys at hindi siya basag pakinggan. Pero kapag outdoor kayo guys at maingay yung paligid nyo, marirecommend ko sa inyo guys na gumamit kayo ng headset guys para mas marinig nyo ng mabuti yung pinapanood nyo na video. Yun yung masasabi ko doon sa speaker niya guys. At yung phone na pala to guys, yung refresh rate niya is 120 Hz refresh rate. Bale, ito yung mga sample natin ng pag-scroll doon sa Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Lazada, at saka Shopee guys. Ito yung mga ginagamit natin palagi ng mga apps guys. At sa gaming naman guys, wala akong napansin guys na frame drops sa paglalaro natin ng Mobile Legends.
Don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best.
At bali, mayroon din siyang bypass charging. Kapag maliit na lang yung battery ng phone nyo, is pwede nyo yung gamitin yung bypass charging. At bali, ito yung bypass charging guys.
Figure out what you like.
Ang kagandahan lang talaga dito sa phone guys is hindi siya nag-focus sa gaming lang, kundi nag-focus din siya sa camera. Kasi yung camera niya guys is maganda yung quality, maganda yung kuha, at saka malinaw talaga guys. At kapag gabi naman guys, is mayroon siyang super night mode yung camera niya guys. Ang hindi ko lang nagustuhan talaga dito guys is kapag ginagamit nyo siya guys is umiinit yung phone. Pero hindi naman talaga gaanong mainit guys yung phone. Umiinit lang talaga siya lalong-lalo na kapag outdoor at matagal na kayong gumagamit ng phone. Pero nagko-cool down naman siya guys kasi mayroon siyang app na pang cool down ng mga apps. At bumabalik din siya sa normal niya na temperature guys. Ang pinakauna talagang napansin ko is hindi talaga siya nagpo-focus lang sa gaming, kundi nag-focus din siya at hindi niya pinabayaan guys yung camera. At guys, kung nakatulong man tong video na to, please give me a like, comment and share, at paki-subscribe na din guys, at paki-hit na din ang bell icon para lagi kayong updated sa mga bago nating upload ng mga video guys. Salamat guys, bye bye, happy tech. Huwag kalimutan si Alfred Tech. Bye-bye!
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more tech reviews, tutorials, and tips, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on any future content. Your support means the world to me, and I can't wait to continue sharing my knowledge and insights with you. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.